Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm showing you guys that you can save 50% on some chargers, some 6 feet extra long charging cables. Now this deal is good from November 28th, 2018 till December 14th, 2018, or while supplies last. So this is what you can save 50% on is chargers, Moalia 3-pack. So we're going to take a look at these chargers. So here we are. These are chargers, Moalia 3-pack, 6 feet extra long charging cables. They're durable, fast charging, data sync cord compatible with iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 7, iPhone 6, iPhone 5, and more. Unique design of high voltage and newest smart chip ensures your device maximum charging speed up to 2.4A. Syncs simultaneously with up to 480 MBs per second transferring speed. It's durable and sturdy, using high quality nylon braided jacket and core material. Precision interface design, which is durable and sturdier than other normal lightning cables, but also flexible and tangle free. Masses of high test intensity ensures extra safety and durable, strong enough to withstand repeated unplugging and storage. So there you guys have it. That is the Moalia 3-pack 6 feet extra long charging cables. They also have black, white. Here's a 2-pack in a white and black, or WH and BK, white and black. So those are the ones that you can get if you're interested in these charger cables, would like more information, and you'd like to save up to 50%. Just check below in the description box for the link to this page. Thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you guys all next time. Till then everyone.